welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to use the delete geometry. So let's get started. Shift A, I'm gonna be searching for delete. Let's type it in this box and then delete geometry. Grab it over here. As you can see here in our scene, you have deleted this default cube. I'm gonna be trying some operations over here. The purpose of this node is just to delete any geometry that is given as shown in our tutorial, and you can also join other nodes to this selection using a mask, and you can delete area by area. Then I don't discuss this topic right now. That's it. In this node we have two sections. First one is the domain, which contains point, edge, face, spline, instances, and so on. And the next section is mode, contain all these elements that allow you what kind of elements you want to delete, just faces or edges, face, all as shown here is set to all, and select this, set it to point. It's gonna be deleting the full default cube as shown here. For this section or for this socket, if you want to select what parts of geometry you want to delete, let's try to unplug it and release, and you're gonna get those selections. If you selected just a point, go over here. Then here in the second section, which is the mode of deleting, select all, this is gonna be deleting the full cube as shown here. If you selected only edges and faces, it's gonna be deleting just edges and faces, and leave vertices as they are. As you can see here, all the faces is gonna be leaving just edges and going to delete faces. Let's try the other options. For example, if you see you have set it to edge and you choose all, it's gonna be deleting all those elements, all the faces, edges. It's gonna be just leaving vertices, and so on for faces. And let's try it for face. If you have selected just face and you set these to all the edges in the face, it's gonna be deleting faces and just leaving those vertices. Also all the faces is gonna be leaving just edges as shown here. Let's take another example by using a noise texture node. Shift A, let's search for noise texture node shown here. Drag it over here. Then let's try to add another node, which is float to integer. Let's connect factor, and you can see this effect over there. And depending on this node, we've got this amazing effect. Set it just to round. Then let's play around with the scale, and you can see this amazing effect and changing the detail. Roughness does nothing, but it's gonna be changing some areas and deleting some faces. Also same thing for distortion. You can play around with those values in order to get some effects like that. And that's it for this tutorial. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.